Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Claudette. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend about my channel. And guys, don't forget to press the bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. And in today's video guys, we'll be baking a cheesecake and showing you my updated project. So if that interests you, keep on watching. Guys, my cousin is making cheesecake. So we forgot to turn the camera on from the beginning. So this is Graham crackers. What did you do with this, Nana? You
I just something like that, blend it up so that it comes fine to make the crust.
So she blend this up, Graham crackers. So this to make the crust. So that's what she's doing now, layering it in the baking dish.
Yeah. So now we're preparing the cheesecake. So we're using 4 blocks of cream cheese, 4 8-ounce blocks of cream cheese. Oh my god, this is sticking.
So, okay guys, so she's finished with this. This is finished.
No, well, now we're gonna cream the cream cheese. So now I'm gonna add the eggs one at a time. So I put it in a separate container because I don't want any shells or anything to get caught in the mixture.
That's the baker, my cousin from Georgia.
So I'm make sure that it's mixed up real good.
Guys, this is coming along. A little lime.
Just to take out the rawness from the eggs. Make sure everything is incorporated.
Go.
Okay, we're gonna add the sour cream to the mixture. And we're gonna add some vanilla to give it a little flavoring. And I like to add some good old Jamaican spices. So I'm gonna add some good old Jamaican spice. Just a little bit of rose and almond.
Sure.
And some mixed spice. It's not in the recipe, but I like to just add this. I'm gonna add some flour, and this is just to thicken it. And some salt. So this is a cheesecake filling. So I'm gonna pour it into the baking pan with the crust, and then we're gonna bake it.
Okay guys, so we're preheating the oven to 350. Waiting for it to come up. Now it's in the oven guys. in the oven. So guys, this is the finished product. This is the finished product. It's strawberry and blueberry topping. So this is the finished product. Yeah, guys. So guys, this is the color I'm using for the project. It's called Rhinestone and it's a light gray. So this is what the color looks like, and it's coming along. And we're getting ready to spray paint the doors. So this is the updated project. So all the rooms have been painted. The washroom have been painted. The washroom has been painted and finished. This is one of the room. So yeah, guys, it's coming along. So this is the other room. It's the rhinestone gray. It's a light gray. So that's it. Okay, so guys, this project is finished. So now we're gonna do the basement. I'm gonna go to the basement. So guys, the basement is just a mess, but I'm gonna show you the basement. So we started digging up the floors to get the plumbing done and all those good stuff. So this is what it really looks like right now. So yeah, guys, so we were just completing the first floor, and then now we're doing this. So the next step, the electrical is already done. So now we're doing the plumbing. So the plumbing guys coming next. So this is it. And so guys, yeah, so you're gonna have, this is the kitchen and dining and the two windows. This is the 2 bedrooms. So you have the 2 windows each. And then we're gonna cut the door. This is the step. We're gonna cut the door straight down. And this is gonna be, and then this is gonna be the bathroom right here. This right over here is gonna be the bathroom right over here. So yeah, guys, that's a small basement. Yeah, so this is gonna be like just a little coat closet or something like that. So that's it. Yeah, guys, so right there you can see the door already cut, just waiting on everything. Yeah, so here, guys, right there. And then right here we're gonna close this off. So this is just gonna be just a little, yeah. This is the end of the video. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend about my channel, guys, and don't forget to press the bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. So guys, I catch you in my next video. Bye.